Okay, quick video again, just to show you the catback on my Holden Commodore SV8. So as you can see, it's V8 Ls1 motor, 5.7 litre, same as the Pontiacs, very similar. Just to show you the boxes I've got on. Two 20-inch, 4-inch pips, and a DEA performance box, or 3-inch. And I've used a 360-degree manual bend just to get this one bend there, and another bend just here, and then further the rest is just all straight pipe. And one 15-inch hot dog, all 3-inch pipe or tubing, whatever you want to call it, 3-inch inlet on the performance box, and two 2.5-inch steel outlets, and I've thick welded the 2 4-inch tips on it, and I'll show you. So it's all 3-inch pipe, single 3-inch pipe. I'll see if I can get it on. That's the hot dog there, and coming into a wire piece. I'll go around the car and just show you how the backside looks like. So just bear with me. So this is 2 4-inch tips. Looks pretty good to me. I had to cut away a little bit on the right hand side, so just a nice clearance, and it's just clearing there, about a 1/4 of an inch. Just having them facing at a slight angle. And I'll show you how I've done the front piece of it. So this is the wire piece coming from the catback flange there, another flange there, and that was the standard wire piece that I've just chopped off there. And I flattened the 3-inch pipe a bit and welded it on with a MIG welder, and it's all 3-inch from there. And the outside diameter of the hot dog is about 4 inches. Inside diameter is 3-inch. Straight through pipes, no silencer boxes. So, and then just pass the diff and to the back and bend up. Like I say, I used, and I've put a hanger here, and just clearing the drive shaft there. That's the stock hangers there, just from the one side straight through to the other side on the outsides. I haven't used this mount or that mount there. Straight mounts. 2 mounts is enough, and 2 mounts at the back, and then it's just attached here at the flanges with 2 bolts either side, and probably I have to undo those bolts, 2 bolts on the gearbox, just to slide them a bit, just to line them up properly. I'll start it up and you can hear how it sounds like. So yeah, this is the Commodore, Holden Commodore SV8. It's the same as the SS motor. outside window down. It's not too loud, it's just got a nice tone to it. And yeah, that's it, SV8. Thanks for watching. Cheers.